everyone comes in almost with a narrative that, hey, this is cosmetic. And then, hey, maybe this big ropey vein is a medical condition. But what people fail to understand is that that big ropey vein is no different than that spider vein. The only difference is if you think about your vein structure as like a tree, the only difference is that big ropey vein starts from near that trunk, whereas the spider vein starts at the periphery of that branch. They are part of the same circulation pattern. They effectively do the same thing, which is basically carry blood from point A to point B. There's no difference between the two, other than one started at presumptively as a bigger vessel than the other one did, and as a result, they're much larger. But you have to understand that there is unfortunately, a narrative as far as vein problems being purely a cosmetic problem, when in fact, you have to understand this: cosmetic things don't cause symptoms. If you ever talk to someone who has excessive amount of spider veins, things like that, I almost guarantee their legs will be aching, they swell, they do things of that nature. Cosmetic things don't cause symptoms.